Arrive in style with this Ford 2019 Super Duty F-250 SRW XL Crew Cab Pickup. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are gross vehicle weight, 10.0 pounds payload package, order code 600A, power equipment group, 4 speakers, AM/FM radio, AM/FM stereo, air conditioning and power front and rear seat windows. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.